You can see how it's pushed in from the door. I have a Honda Accord here. This one got swiped down the side, and these are actually two used doors that I already hung on it, and it gets a new fender as well. And then I also have to repair this quarter panel. You can see how it's pushed in from the door. So I'm gonna put this tab, I'm gonna weld this tab right on the edge there, just to give this a little tug, bring that out to where it's flush with the door. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this quarter panel fixed up. I have this one looking good. The quarter of the door is nice and flush and even. I have a good gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep out this quarter panel for primer. I'm gonna take both these doors back off, and there's a few, you probably can't see them, there's a few little dings in these I'm gonna have to fix, and I'll get this one all ready to prime up.